David Salah. That's a great shot. It's a wonderful goal from Fabinho.
No tiene opción para el remate directo. Va a entrar en el área, busca el exterior. Golazo de Luka Modric al que
Down to De Bruyne. De Bruyne hammers it. Oh my goodness! That has flown it. That's a demolition job from Kevin De Bruyne. Newcastle were appealing for a free kick for that collision.
Sandro va a colgar el lateral, el remate.
Contact. Having a real go.
What a goal. Well, the effort pays off. Laid off Roberto. De Jong. Back here! The art of Barcelona! The sheer brilliance!
Idea Bernardeschi dentro Sobotta per Dybala, attenzione, va la gioia, Dybala! Dybala! È un capolavoro, quello di Paulo Dybala, un pallonetto morbido a battere un Freddy.
Viendo la situación de fuera de juego, Coutinho. Gol. El tanto de Coutinho con esa vaselina excesivamente elevada, pero que al final le sirve para.
Okay, Silva, his good foot. How good is that? It's his great foot, his left foot. He scored here, and they win in the league.
Given away cheaply again, and here's Ronaldo with a chance. He doesn't need a second invitation.
Cher just getting his feet in the tangle, they've given it away. It's Greenwood, it's a chance and it's in! This boy is something special. It's horrific defending by Newcastle United. And Suarez! It's fabulous. Sweet strike from Luis Suarez. Picked out beautifully.
It's a really good ball up to Jesus, who's on great form at the moment, and he's teed up De Bruyne, and De Bruyne has whacked it in. Just over 90 seconds of the game played. Arsenal have already had one victory.
Higuain, Dybala, Higuain, Dybala, Higuain, Dybala, Higuain! Oh, that's wonderful! Magical!
Oxlade-Chamberlain, that's cute, that's brilliant! That's 2-0 Liverpool. What a smile, what a delightful finish.
Madre mía, el error, recuperación de Lukaku. Quiere correr el Inter, acompaña a Lautaro Martínez. Sigue Romelu, sigue Lukaku, se planta en la frontal, bicicleta, disparo. Bueno, qué golazo. ¡Gol!
Liverpool's colours go low. It's set up for Alexander-Arnold. Oh, wonderful. Quick thinking, smart shooting. Chelsea 0, Liverpool 1.
To deliver it. Whipped in and all the way in. Dybala's hot streak continues.
Tocó la pelota para echarla por la línea de fondo, saca rápidamente Toni Kroos, se redurmió.
Stick with him. Tottenham got the touch, and now Son. Motoring, Son is past Peters, he's going all the way! What a goal! Son Heung-min with a strike of individual brilliance. To Suarez!
Salah is in here. Now, what can he squeeze in? Oh, that's what he can squeeze in. That is just a peach.
It's put in by Diogo Jota, but it's coming straight to... Oh, my goodness! Tomori has scored an absolute belter!
Salah. Fire another one forward. Origi collects it. Origi, brilliant. Liverpool's long-range passing isn't. De Bruyne weaving through. Oh, and it's an own goal of Pereira. It's a good run. It's a wonderful goal.
Diallo's ball for Neymar. Oh, he's done it. The Parc des Princes rises to its feet. It's Neymar with the goal.
Bit of players near the penalty area. Dunk getting up well. Oh, fantastic goal! What a superb goal! Ali Reza Jahanbakhsh for Brighton and Hove Albion.
Speedy back James. Left Guendouzi. And it's too far ahead of Rashford. Pogba's there. McTominay's there. Ayew, brilliant, brilliant, absolutely amazing goal from Jordan Ayew. What a goal! Look at where he picks that ball up. Big top in his hands to lift those Villa players. De Bruyne with the cross, Jesus makes it 4. What a superb ball! First real meaningful save of the game for De Gea, but Dele Alli was brilliant to poach the equaliser. What form he is in!
Para sobre todo intentar atacar por fuera y no conceder ese tipo de situaciones. El golpe de Harry Kane. ¡Qué golazo! ¡Espectacular! El golazo de Harry Kane para librarnos tarde.
It's come back to David Silva. Hendrick with the block.